this video, I'm going to be showing and demonstrating to you how to sign up for a Scribie account and begin to make money online as a transcriber. The potential earnings you can be making on this platform on a monthly basis include: only transcription, you can be making $200 to $300. With transcription plus review, you can be making $300 to $500. With transcription, review and proofreading, you can be making $500 to $700. And with transcription, review, proofreading and quality check, you can be making $700 to $1,000 on a monthly base on Scribie. To sign up for an account on Scribie, go to your browser and type in scribie.com and it will lead you to this page. I'm just going to leave this link right here on my description box below so that when you click on it, it will take you to this page where you can sign up as a transcriber on this platform. So I'm just going to make a small review on how this platform works, and we will go straight away in signing up for an account with scribie.com. Scribie usually goes through 5 processes, which is the 5 processes include file splitting, which is the first step. We have raw transcription, review, proofreading and quality check, which I just explained how much you can make on that. So according to this platform, they say we pay $5 to $25 per audio hour. So that is how much they pay per audio hour, and your money is being sent to you on your PayPal account with no minimum withdrawal limit, meaning that you can withdraw your money at any time without any limitation as long as you have a PayPal account. So as a review, it is a home-based job. It pays $5 to $25 per audio hour US dollar, and it gives short files of less than 10 minutes, and you are given only 2 hours to do the work, and the files are auto transcribed to save 60% of the typing effort, and you get rewarded for any good performance that you do. And when you do that, you become a reviewer, from a reviewer to a proofreader, from a proofreader to quality check. And they pay a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed, and there is no obligation or monthly commitment or monthly withdrawal limit. So in creating an account with Scribie, you need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, you won't be able to sign up for an account. You can check one of my previous videos on how I demonstrated how to create a PayPal account and how to link your PayPal account to your bank card or to your credit card. I'm going to leave the link of those 2 videos on the description box below. Make sure you create a PayPal account. You link the PayPal account to a credit card or to a bank card, and you follow me on this tutorial. So I'm going to leave the links of those videos on the description box of this video below. So make sure you check out the videos and set up your own PayPal account. So I already have a PayPal account. I'm just going to go ahead and sign up for an account with scribie.com. All I need to do is to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and I'm just going to illustrate to you how much this platform usually pay on a monthly base. As you can see, they say assignment type and potential monthly earning. They say with only transcription you can make $200 to $300 on a monthly base. With transcription and review you can make $300 to $500 on a monthly base. With transcription, review and proofreading you can make $500 to $700 on a monthly base. With transcription, review and proofreading and quality check you can make $700 to $1,000 or $1,200 on a monthly base. In order to sign up for an account, just come down below at the bottom of this page where you have get started, and you click on where you have sign up as a transcriber. So you click on sign up as a transcriber. So you are signing up to this platform as a transcriber. So you go down to the bottom of the page and you click sign up as a transcriber. Then here you need to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and any other details that you have been asked to do so on this section. So I'm just going to go ahead to fill my names, my email address, and I type in a password. I'll type in a password on this section. Then I retype the password again here. Then below you can see they're asking for the account type. Is it a customer? Are you signed in as a customer or as a transcriber? So we are signing up as a transcriber. I'm just going to click on transcriber here. Then I click on I am not a robot. Then you click on I agree to the terms and conditions of Scribie.com. So you need to agree to the terms and conditions before you sign up or you create an account with them. So I'll click on I agree to the terms and conditions of Scribie.com, and I also click on receive update and discount coupons once every 3 months. Then after doing that, I click on sign up. I click on sign up. Account successfully created. So our account is successfully created. So all we need to do is to go over to my Gmail account, and I confirm this. As you can see, they say email verification. So I'm just going to click on this link right here in order to confirm my email, in order to verify my email. So I'm just going to go over to my email address and I confirm my email. So I click on this link right here and they say thank you for verifying your email. Process to set up your account. They say how did you find out about us? So on this drop down list you can see Blink, Facebook, Twitter, a friend, order. So you are just going to select where you knew about them. Mine is Google. After that you click on update. They say thank you for verifying your email. So our email has been verified. So now we are going to go over back to the section where we are creating the account to sign up, to log into our PayPal account. They say please set up your PayPal account prior to taking the test. So I'm just going to log in to my PayPal account, because if you don't have a PayPal account you can't proceed even to take the test. So they say check or log into your PayPal account. If your account is verified, we'll ask you some additional details. Please submit it to complete the PayPal account setup. So I'm just going to log into my PayPal account by clicking right here. So after doing that, I have logged into my PayPal account. They say access some of your profile information, full name, date of birth, time zone, local, language, email, street, address, country, zone, zip, phone number, account type, account creation date, account verification. You can review this constant at any time from within your PayPal account settings. So as you can see, if you have a PayPal account, when you reach at this stage, all you need to do is to log into your PayPal account. But if you don't have, you can go ahead and set up a PayPal account. So in my own case, I was already having a PayPal account, so that is why I just went ahead and I logged into my PayPal account. And then from this stage, now you are going to take a test, a skill competent test. As you can see on top of the screen here, you have guidelines. In order to take this test, you need to go through all these guidelines to see what is required of you on this platform. And after going through these guidelines, you will use this guideline to pass the test that Scribie.com will be giving you, and everything they will be giving you will be in accordance to what we have on these guidelines. So this guideline is like something that you need to read and know very well before passing the test. You can also check on the terms and conditions of Scribie by reading it right here. So these are the terms and conditions of Scribie.com. So you can just come over here, you read the terms and the conditions, and before you proceed in taking the test, remember that you take the test in two phases: the multiple choice and the audio test. And once you validate the two of them, you will receive a message and you start working with Scribie.com. So these are the terms and conditions of Scribie.com. Okay, on the test section here, when you click on the test, after logging into your PayPal account, you are going to write a skill competent test in order to start working with Scribie.com. So I'm going to end here for today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video. Also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will receive a notification.